also the highly rated Nkapie, who plays in the Bundesliga with Bayer Leverkusen. Moises Caicedo is a huge part of that midfield. And Enner Valencia looks to add to the goals that he scored in 2014, 3 of them. Caicedo's long throw. Looked at that. Came a long way, didn't get too much on it. But still bouncing inside the penalty area. And there's the first goal. Headed in by Enner Valencia. Less than 3 minutes into the World Cup finals. Goal ruled out. Strada's flick. Enner Valencia trying to get on the end of it. Recovery was from Hassan. It's another one of those direct balls. Safely back for Qatar, who paused their own one player, it appeared, between him and the goal, with the goal eventually Plata for Ecuador. To low one this time. Ibarra, Caicedo to Estepinian. Massimiliano Irati, incidentally, the Italian official in charge. Back in from Estrada. It definitely counts this time. It is Enner Valencia for Ecuador. And the South Americans are in front. And now he does definitely have the most World Cup goals of that. This is another promising situation for them. With the most minutes of any player in the... Yeah. It was 4-3 to Qatar. Ecuador ended up with 9 men that day. Here's the response from Qatar. Miguel. On from Torres. Enner Valencia. Gonzalo Plata. Torres, ball player with the diagonal squeeze the ball. Driven towards the back post this time. Everywhere it seems now. Plata. Too easy for Ecuador. I'm sure Enner Valencia will get to that one though. Ball from Nkapie, and again the goalkeeper hesitated. He survives that one though. Caicedo's cross. Oh, fabulous header. He's done it again, Enner Valencia. 2 for him, 2 for Ecuador. It didn't go up. It was Estepinian's free kick, and that one's more comfortable for. Delivery. Free header.